Welcome everyone. This is an introduction to Builderall and all of its features. If you're looking for an all-in-one marketing platform, then Builderall could be just what you need. So, what is Builderall? Well, essentially, it's a digital marketing platform that allows you to create and manage your entire online presence. Okay, from building websites and sales funnels to email marketing, social media campaigns. Okay, Builderall has a wide range of features to help you grow your business. Anything you need, all in one place. Let's look at some of the key features that Builderall has. First, we have the dashboard. So once you created your account, you are welcomed here by the dashboard. And from here, you can access all of the different tools that Builderall offers. Okay, so from here you can create and manage your website. You can create an online store, digital store. Okay, as you scroll down here, we can select on a starter project. We can create a website, create a store, create a webinar, create a checkout page, okay, or create a website with members area. Okay, so you have some of these options. Then if we go down here we can see even more of these options. We have again website builder, email marketing. You can create courses, you can do bookings. Okay, there are an endless number of features that Builder offers. We have our funnel builders, chat builders if you want to make a chat bot. Okay, so there are many options that Builderall has to offer. Okay, so let's take a closer look at one of the first things we will do, which is creating a website. Okay, so if you click the create a website here from the dashboard, it will take you here to the option where you can actually choose one of the many templates that Builderall has to offer. Okay, so you can create a stunning, professional looking website without any coding knowledge. Okay, there are many templates you can choose from, or you can create the design from scratch. Okay, so if we look here, for example, professional templates, we can click on this, and here we can have a look at all the various different features that we need. Okay, and the type of template that we like. So let's say we are creating for a business coach. We can preview the site, and here we go. We have the template ready. Now all we need to do is just fill in the content with whatever we need, change the photos how we like it, put our logo in, and there we have a website. And another powerful tool that we have in Builderall is the funnel builder. Okay, with this funnel builder, we can of course build a funnel. This allows us to create funnels that guide our customers through a specific buying journey, whether we're looking to generate leads or to sell products. The funnel builder can help us achieve our goals. So quickly, we can open the funnel builder. We can create the title for our funnel, for example, muscle mass. It's just something random. Okay, now we can look here. We are looking for a coaching funnel. Oh, muscle mass funnel. There we go. Now we can say create funnel. Okay, so here we have the beginning of our funnel. We can say start funnel. Now we need to decide, what do we want to do? What is the purpose of our funnel? What do we want leads? Do we want to sell products? What do we want to do? We can choose a blueprint. So this helps the process to speed up. So let's say in this case, we are just looking to get lead capture. So we can select lead capture. Now here we have the options for lead capture. Okay, let's try this one, the bridge funnel. So we click the plus, and here we have the funnel set up. So of course, what are we going to do? We're going to get traffic from our social media or paid ads or whatever we decide, however we decide to collect leads. Those leads will be sent to a bridge page. This would be normally some kind of video or something where you are describing your product or giving some benefits about your product. the lead will sign into a form. Okay, this will be to capture their email and their name and email. And then from there, they will be sent to the confirmation page, which they will confirm their email, and you will give them some kind of maybe free template or something like that. And then from there, you can decide what to do next. Either you will send them emails from the emails that you collected. Of course, the sale is in the follow-up, so you will be sending them follow-up emails, and you'll create an entire campaign around that. But this just allows us to set up the funnel quick and easy. So again, we just do this. We click on generate site, go to website, and here we can see it has been created for us. We can enter this, of course, the same as we did for creating the website, and we can actually edit this site however we choose to make it. We can add our video, we can change our text, whatever we like to do. And once we're done, we can just say save, and then it will be ready. So here we have the site. Next, we have one of the most important tools that is included with the Builderall package. With other services, you may need to connect external services to actually have this function, but here we have it integrated, and that is our Mailing Boss. So Mailing Boss is our email marketing tool. It is an essential part of any digital marketing strategy, and Builderall has a comprehensive email marketing tool that allows you to create and manage campaigns with ease, from designing beautiful email templates to tracking your open rates and click-through rates. Okay, so let's have a look at Mailing Boss. Here we have Mailing Boss. We have simple steps to get you set up. You simply follow these steps to get set up with your first campaign. Okay, and then we can look here. We have different lists we can choose. We have our subscribers, tag managers. Okay, we can set up our email campaigns, our sequences. Okay, we have various AI integration and tag integration, allowing you to automate a lot of things. We also have some tutorials for you to learn how to use this tool correctly. Okay. Another tool that we have with Builderall, which is quite important in today's day and age, is a social auto post app. Okay, so we can open the social auto post app, and basically we can connect some of our social media to this Builderall. Okay, and then from here you can schedule posts. So you can schedule multiple posts for the week and have it all ready for you, so you don't need to post every day. Okay, so you can have it automatically set up for you. You simply add your accounts and go through the various steps to posting your social media. And finally, Builderall also has an integrated e-commerce platform. Okay, so if you're looking to sell products online, Builderall has the e-commerce platform that will make it easy for you to set up an online store with features like product management, payment processing, shipping integration, so you can start to sell your products online quick and easy. And for that, all we need to do is click on create a physical store. This will take us to our website builder, and from there we can integrate all that we need to do. We can add our sales checkout, and we can add our products. So there you have it, an overview of some of the key features of Builderall. If you're looking for an all-in-one digital marketing platform that can help you to grow your business, then Builderall could be just what you need. Please check the link below to get started with Builderall today. So if you're looking to make money online, my mentor Chad has created this course which is free with your subscription to Builderall. If you're looking to start your journey, we have got basic training, funnels that have been made for you, ways of getting traffic, bonus training. Okay, these are all included with your affiliate marketing boss. So if you're interested in learning how to make money online, please check the link below for affiliate marketing, and I'll see you on the inside.